having lost my fair share of friends, having also been a victim of violence and a survivor of violence, and having worked with young people in this community, I have seen time and time again where we let politics and we let other things get in the way of saving lives. And when we talk about prevention and what that means, it is unfair to limit the conversation about public safety in this community to law enforcement.
That's right.
And so sitting on this panel, my commitment to the community is to say, how do we broaden and equalize this conversation? Prevention is not in opposition to enforcement. When things happen, people need to be held accountable. But at the end of the day, we need to free up the police to deal with the rapists, the sexual assault perpetrators, the shooters, while we deal with stopping that pipeline of pain of young people and adults ending up in those situations in our community. And unfortunately, we're not able as a state to actually do that effectively. And so what I want to say is, in terms of a magic wand, it's not necessarily magic, it's common sense. And I think the conversation around COP, in terms of community-oriented policing, problem-oriented policing, is really about working smarter. But in order to do that, we have to work in partnership, but we also have to keep it real about where the resources are going and making sure that we're having an equitable conversation.